In this video, I'll show you two methods of how you can fix Western Union error C7777. So here's what we can do. Now, why you get this error is because the general transaction was declined. Now, what we can do is go to our phone settings, and here I'll just scroll down and search for offload. Now, we want to select offload unused apps, like so. And here from the list of all of your applications, we'll just scroll down and find the Western Union app, click on it, and then click on offload app like this. Once we have offloaded the app, we will reinstall it. Now, if that doesn't fix the issue for you, another thing that you can do is go to a Western Union office, and then you can do the transaction directly from within the office. And those are the two things that I suggest doing. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.